I'm going to teach you a new sound. The sound is B. The sound is B. Do you see how I roll my lips inside? B. B. Also, what you can do is you feel the air coming out of your mouth. You can take your hand and go. B. B. So now I'm going to show you how we can write this or the other things we can use to remember this sound. This is B. And this is how we write B. We start from up, going down and around. B. Down and around. B. Down and around. B. And this letter of ours has got a big belly. B. To remember this sound, we have a butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. We have books, books, books. We have banana, 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 and a ball, ball, ball. Also, it's blue,